Hello and welcome back. If you sell on eBay, Poshmark, or Mercari, you're in the right place. We'll look at 30 of the fastest selling women's jean brands on eBay. These brands sold for at least $20 or more in the last 90 days. This list is not ranked, but keep an eye out because I've starred the top 10 for the highest percent sell-through rate. JUDY Blue. Current sold is $35.99 and $5.99 shipping. We're going to take a close-up at the labels. This one's a straight leg. Here's the back. Sell-through rate is 94%. Rock and Roll Cowgirl. Current sold is $22.99 and $8.99 shipping. Label is embroidered. This one's mostly cotton. Here's the back patch. Sell-through rate is 30%. Driftwood. Current sold is $40.49. Shipping was $8.49. Here's a nice close-up of the tag. This is on the inside. This is Colette. Here's the size tag. There is no back patch, but it does have this really nice embroidered pattern. Sell-through rate was 41%. Veronica Beard. Current sold is $39.99 and $8.95 shipping. This is the inside label. This one's made in USA. Sell-through rate is 21%. Mother. Current sold is $50 and $5.95 shipping. Here's a close-up. And the style is labeled on the inside pocket. The back has the letter M embroidered on the pockets. Sell-through rate is 55%. Can. Current sold is $34, $17 shipping. Here's the inside label. Here's the size tag. This one's 100% cotton. There is a very small patch on the back. Sell-through rate is 20%. Apple Bottom. Current sold is $28.80. Shipping was $8.95. The soles for this brand were vintage. This is a Y2K, late 90s, early 2000s. Here's the label. It also has this really nice embroidered apple. And the back has the embroidered logo. Sell-through rate is 49%. R13. Current sold is $49. Shipping was $9.85. Here's the back patch. Here's the size tag. And this was made in Italy. Sell-through rate was 29%. Liverpool. Current sold was $25, $8.99 shipping. Here's a close-up of the tag, and the size is printed on the fabric. This one's called the crop. Here's another tag. These are actually slip-ons. Sell-through rate is 23%. Rock Revival. Current sold was $49.99. Shipping was $8.15. Here's a close-up of the embroidered logo on the inside. And here's the back. This brand is kind of easy to spot. The stitching is very thick and bold. And there's usually a lot of studs and jewels on them. Sell-through rate was 49%. Duluth. Current sold was $22, $7.99 shipping. Here's a close-up of the inside tag. There is no back patch on these. Sell-through rate is 22%. LULAROE. Current sold was $36.99. Shipping was $8. Here's a close-up of the label. It says "With Love." Sell-through rate is 149%. Good American. Current sold was $44.99. Shipping was $8.99. Here's a close-up of the tag. This one has some polyester, viscose, and elastane in it, so it's very stretchy. No back patch on this one either. Sell-through rate was 30%. Jag jeans. Current sold was $27, $7.99 shipping. Here's the back patch. Here's the inside tag. And another tag. This one's a mid-rise skinny. Sell-through rate is 20%. BETABRAND. Current sold was $24.99. Shipping was $8.50. The logo was printed on the inside on the fabric. And I don't see any other marks on the back. Sell-through rate is 40%. LL Bean. Current sold was $24.99. Shipping was $11.48. Now these are flannel lined, and I noticed that for LL Bean and another brand that I'm going to mention later, that the flannel lined are the ones that we're selling most often. Alright, here's a close-up of the LL Bean logo. And this one is 100% cotton inside and out. Alright, there is a back patch, but it's kind of hard to see on this picture. Sell-through rate is 27%. Buckle Black. Current sold was $26.36. Shipping was $10.40. Here's a close-up of the inside tag. And this one is made in Italy. Here's the size tag. It's got some polyester and elastane. And here's a close-up of the patch. It just says black. Sell-through rate is 87%. COWGIRL TUFF. Current sold is $37.99. Shipping was $8.99. You'll notice right away that this has some really nice embroidery at the top and at the bottom leg. Here's a close-up of the inside. And this one is embroidered as well. It says Roses and Faith. And on the back it says Never Give Up, and it also has the TUFF logo on there. Sell-through rate is 59%. Silver Jeans. Current sold is $31.50. Shipping was $10.40. Here's a close-up of the tag. The button has some nice detail too, you can see that. Here's the inside label. And here's a close-up of the patch. Sell-through rate is 20%. WRANGLER. Current sold is $24.91. Shipping was $8.99. For WRANGLER, I noticed it was mostly the vintage style, so high waist mom jeans. The tag is different for the older version of Wranglers. And here's the back. You can see the nice Wranglers patch and the little red tab. Sell-through rate is 32%. Democracy. Current sold was $24.49. Shipping was $8.95. Here's the Democracy logo and tag. This one just has a little bit of spandex, and on the back there is this little button sewn in that has the Democracy logo. Sell-through rate is 61%. LAWMAN. Current sold is $65. Shipping was $12.45. This is another vintage brand. This patch is really nice looking. Here's the inside tag. Has a little rodeo cowboy. You'll also notice some button designs. I saw several of the same pair of LAWMAN jeans selling, and they all kind of look like this. Sell-through rate is 35%. Big Star. Current sold is $24.95. Shipping was $8.30. Here's a close-up of the tag. And this brand was featured in my men's fastest sold video, and Red Star was on that list as well, so this is definitely a bolo. Here's the inside tag. This one just has a little bit of lycra, but it's made in the USA. Here's the back patch. Sell-through rate is 22%. Hydraulic. Current sold is $30. Shipping was $12.55. Here's a close-up of the inside. It's printed with the logo. And on the back we have the embroidery. This one actually has a lot of polyester and a little bit of spandex. Sell-through rate is 26%. Amethyst. Current sold is $20. Shipping was $9.59. Inside is an embroidered label. This one has 27% polyester and some rayon and some spandex. And you can see amethyst embroidered on the top right. Sell-through rate is 44%. Denim and Supply, Ralph Lauren. Current sold was $34.99. Shipping was $8.99. Here's the inside tag. There are no logos on the inside of this. And the outside has a very distinctive patch. It's got the American flag and some leather stitched together. Sell-through rate is 29%. Day Trip. Current sold was $22.99. Shipping was $8.99. Here's a close-up of the inside label. And this one's called the Leo Bootcut. This one's mostly cotton with a little spandex. Here's the back patch. And you notice the stitching is pretty unique too. Sell-through rate is 30%. Miss Me. Current sold is $23.99. Shipping was $9.99. The logo is embroidered. So take a look. Here's the inside label. Mostly cotton with a little bit of elastin. Sell-through rate is 32%. Carhartt. Current sold is $24.95. Shipping was $8. So this is the other brand that I mentioned that would have a fleece lining. So there are a lot of Carhartt jeans for men, not so much for women, but the ones that we're selling for women often had the fleece lining. Here's a close-up of the inside tag. And this is a straight leg. This is mostly cotton with a little bit of spandex. And there is a small patch on the back for Carhartt. Sell-through rate was 41%. This is the fastest selling brand of jeans, ARIAT. Current sold was $32. Shipping was $11.45. Here's a close-up of the tag. It says ARIAT Real Denim. Here's the other label. And this one has some polyester and spandex in it. Here's the logo. Sell-through rate is 169%. As always, we hope this information was useful to you. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let us know which item categories you'd like us to research in future videos. Thank you for watching!